Welcome to this lesson, English rewrites. We're going to take a look at comparatives. So what are comparatives? Comparatives are used to show differences, similarities, or progress between two or more people, things, or actions. Okay, so they are formed using words like more than, less than, not as, or the more, okay, or no sooner, something than, or having past plus past participle, or before, after, ing. So most of the comparatives, we've done them as we were discussing other topics, but I thought of treating them as an independent topic because others were not touched. Okay, so comparatives are just used to compare. Comparing meaning you can talk about similarities between things, you can talk about differences in terms of size, in terms of which one happens first. Okay, so we use words like more than, okay, less than, not as, and all these others. You may not understand them at first glance. Okay, but if you look at 3, no sooner, had, than, that's a different topic on its own. We discussed this. No sooner this, no sooner had this, than this, which shows that immediately this happened, okay. So it can also be put as part of the comparison. We also have it, then a past participle. By now, if you have watched all the lessons on rewrites, you must know what a past participle is. For example, the word take, its past tense is took, then its past participle is taken. Okay, so we can say having taken the book. So when you say having taken the book, you are trying to say that this action of taking the book happened, then something else happened. Okay, so that's one way of using comparatives. The other one is before or after, then a verb that has ing. After eating, before kicking, after laughing. Okay, so these are used to show comparison in terms of time, in terms of which one happened first and then what happened next. Then these ones are used to show attributes like is not as intelligent as the big brother. Okay, an attribute of intelligence is the one being tested here. Okay, so these ones I used to compare attitudes. This one has this as compared to this one has this as compared to this, or this one has the same this as this other person. Okay, away from that, let's take a look at examples. Or also we have of the two between A and B. We can say of the two, this one is the smartest, is smarter. Sorry, of the two, this one is smarter, which is basically used to show that between these two, this one has more or less of a given attribute. So we start with the first example. Mutale cannot run faster than 100 meters per second. I've got a friend named Mutale and he can run faster than 100 meters per second. Anyway, coming back to the question says begin 100 meters per second. 100 meters per second cannot run faster than Mutale. No, that's not the answer. So here we are trying to compare Mutale's speed to, we're trying to see how good Mutale is at running, or how fast is Mutale. We know that he cannot surpass 100 meters per second. So we cannot say 100 meters per second runs faster than Mutale because 100 meters per second does not run. But we can say 100 meters per second is the fastest Mutale can run. They cannot go beyond 100 meters per second. Number 2, Musonda is brighter than Samonga. So Musonda is brighter than Samonga. So begin between. So we're comparing Musonda and Samonga. So between Musonda and who? And Samonga, one is brighter. Okay, so if you're comparing two things, then you have to use brighter. If there were 3, you can say brightest. Okay, so know that difference. So between Musonda and Samonga, Musonda is brighter. Between Musonda and Samonga, Musonda is brighter. Number 3, Musonda is brighter than Samonga and Brian. So here we have 3. Okay, so if you have 3, you cannot use between. You cannot use between, you cannot use brighter. You have to use among. If you have more than 2, you have to use among. So here we have Musonda, Samonga, and Brian. So we're going to say, and the question says begin among. So it will be among Musonda, Samonga, and Brian. Musonda is the brightest. Example 4, he became more and more disappointed with each try. So this is used, is showing that one thing is increasing, the other thing is increasing. There is also a situation where one thing is increasing, the other thing is decreasing. So here we have both things increasing. He became more and more disappointed with each try. So he became more disappointed the more he tried. So the question says, begin the more. Okay? The more he tried, the more disappointed he became. The more he tried, the more disappointed he became. His ability to try or his attempts were increasing, so was his disappointment. The last one, as soon as the rain stopped, the match resumed. As soon as the rain stopped, the match resumed. Okay, so this one, we've already tackled it. The question says no sooner. You know what to do. It's no sooner had the rain stopped than the match resumed. Okay, so this is comparative. They are very simple, yeah, but I just thought of discussing them. So this marks the end of this short lesson. See you in the next lesson.